In the realm of cutting-edge military technology, a groundbreaking development emerged from the heart of Russia, the Joker FPV loitering munitions, drones with the extraordinary ability to hibernate for extended periods before unleashing their attacks. This new breed of unmanned aircraft was designed to stay hidden from electronic countermeasures, a remarkable feat in the world of modern warfare. As the news broke, the government-affiliated TASS news agency revealed the existence of these enigmatic drones, signaling a new chapter in the ongoing war against Ukraine. Unmanned aerial vehicles had become increasingly prevalent in the conflict, and the Joker drones aimed to tip the scales in Russia's favor. Dmitry Kuzhakin, the Director General of Russia's Center for Integrated Unmanned Solutions, proudly introduced the world to the capabilities of the Joker drones, stating, "A drone with a hibernator can take up a position for an attack and literally go into hibernation for several weeks." On the air, a sleeping drone does not manifest itself and attack. Perched atop tall structures, the Joker drone waited patiently for the opportune moment to strike. Positioned near the battlefield, it could rapidly descend upon its target, significantly reducing the time needed for a successful attack. Moreover, the drone's unique design made it less susceptible to various countermeasures, granting it an advantage over conventional weaponry. A single skilled FPV pilot could deploy and activate up to 15 sleeping drones, presenting a formidable swarm capable of overwhelming enemy defenses. The potential impact of these drones on the course of the war could not be underestimated. However, the Joker drones were not the sole players in this drone-powered saga. Ukraine, too, had deployed an array of aerial weaponry to defend its territory and strike back. Russia's Shade 136 drones, supplied by Iran, formed swarms of loitering munitions that posed a significant threat. Nevertheless, Ukraine's air defenses managed to fend off one such attack, thwarting the assault and displaying their resilience. Russia also dispatched the elusive Orlan 10 drones to spy on and disrupt Ukrainian communications. With a sleek body, the Orlan 10 was challenging to detect, allowing it to carry out its covert operations undetected. Ukraine, refusing to back down, countered with a range of deadly drones of its own. Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones proved to be highly accurate, effectively neutralizing Russian tanks and troops. Additionally, U.S. supplied Switchblade 300 drones provided unparalleled mobility, fitting neatly into a backpack for convenient deployment. In an audacious move, Ukraine even ventured deep into Russian territory, using their drones to strike targets in Moscow. Alas, Russia's electronic warfare capabilities proved effective, causing the Ukrainian drones to crash before reaching their objectives. And so, the saga of the sleeping drones and their drone-powered battles continued, each side striving to outwit and outmaneuver the other. The skies above Ukraine remained a battleground of technology and strategy, where the fate of nations hung precariously in the balance. In this new era of warfare, where drones and technology held sway, the question lingered which side would ultimately prevail, and at what cost. Only time would reveal the answers as the story of the sleeping drones unfolded, leaving an indelible mark on the annals of modern warfare.